I, Kyarah, take you, Derek, to be my wedded husband, to love and to cherish and deeply respect, in accordance with the divine law, as set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives, for as long as we both shall live together on earth, according to God's marital arrangement. Derek, I love you.
I, Derek, promise to be a true and faithful partner to you, Kyarah, from this day forward, in all life circumstances as we face them together. In the joys and sorrows, the good times and bad, in sickness or in health, I will always be there for you, to comfort you, love you, honor and cherish you, now and forevermore. Kyarah, I love you.
We've yelled words we shouldn't, we fought for the best. Those tears we were crying, both happy and sad. Oh, time it stops and people fade when you step in a room. I don't love anyone the way I love you. We don't feel the silence, you read like a book. I last a decade on one of those looks. I would give the ocean up to swim in your blues. I don't love anyone the way I love you, the way I love you, the way if I know what love is, it's because of you. You light my fire, yeah, that's the whole truth. I know it's easy to get lost in all of the issues. I'll tell the whole world, top of my lungs, past, present, future, they know you're the one. Doesn't take a diamond ring to say that I do. I don't love anyone, no, I don't love anyone. I don't love anyone the way I love you.
You tell me you don't recognize my face. You couldn't know just how much I would change. Everything I ever knew keeps breaking. Remember when we started making plans? That night when first I said the words in France. Now every time you say I'm back, it saves me. And when the years have changed us and they rearranged everything that we thought would be true, I'll keep learning to love you. Oh, I'll keep learning to love you. And when we hurt each other and we both discover we're maybe not who we thought we would be, you'll keep learning to love me. Oh, you'll keep learning to love me. You know the very worst that I can be, but see the deeper things that no one sees. Remind me who I am and who I want to be. Hey. So time can come and try to do its worst, 'cause I know the cost of love and what it's worth. And I'll hold on to you when the world is burning. When the years have changed us and they rearrange everything that we thought would be true, I'll keep learning to love you. I'll keep learning to love you. And when we hurt each other and we both discover we're maybe not who we thought we would be, you'll keep learning to love me. Oh, you'll keep learning to love me. Because the years have changed us and they rearranged everything that we thought would be true. But I'll keep learning to love you. I'll keep learning to love you, love you, love you. And we hurt each other and we both discover we're maybe not who we thought we would be. You'll keep learning to love me. Oh, you'll keep learning to love me.
Words get trapped in my mind. Sorry, I don't take the time to feel the way I do. 'Cause the first day you came into my life, my time ticks around you. But then I need your voice as the key to unlock all the love that's trapped in me. So tell me when it's time got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's kick it off.